Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Ahrefs for affiliate content gap analysis, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Ahrefs for affiliate content gap analysis, start by visiting the Ahrefs website. Click on the sign up button to create a new account. Fill in your email address and choose a strong password. Once you've completed the registration, check your inbox for a confirmation email. Click on the confirmation link to activate your Ahrefs account. After activating your account, log in to Ahrefs using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Ahrefs dashboard. To begin your content gap analysis, navigate to the Site Explorer tool in the navigation menu. Enter your website's URL in the search bar and click on the search button. Wait for Ahrefs to analyze your site and generate a report. Next, find the Content Gap feature located in the left sidebar. Input the URLs of your competitors in the designated field. Click on the Show Keywords button to generate a list of keywords you are missing. Review the list of keywords that your competitors are ranking for but you are not. Use this information to identify potential content opportunities for your affiliate marketing strategy. Take note of the keywords with high search volume and low competition. Next, plan your content strategy based on this analysis. Consider creating blog posts, reviews, or guides targeting these keywords. Furthermore, review your existing content to see if it can be optimized for these new keywords. Make sure to update your content regularly to match the evolving search trends. Once your content is live, monitor its performance using the Ahrefs dashboard. Track keyword rankings and organic traffic to gauge your content's effectiveness. This process will help you close the content gap and improve your affiliate marketing efforts. By utilizing Ahrefs, you can stay ahead of your competitors and enhance your content strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.